Well, it's always a pleasure to have you join me for the weather report where I bring you the latest updates from the skies. Now, we start off with today's weather conditions. Well, we had mostly clear skies over our country. We had lots of sunshine for many places within the country, apart from a few areas within central Uganda that had partly cloudy conditions. Now, we still have a high pressure system that is persisting over the southern sector of our continent. Actually, this is what is bringing dry winds towards our region, and that explains the kind of dry conditions that we are experiencing. Now, Sunday morning, when you wake up in the morning, you're going to see an approach of brightening sunshine, and that is going to be over most places within our country, including the northern sector, as well as the eastern half of our country. However, for the Lake Victoria Basin, we could see a mix of clouds and sunshine. But later on, as the day goes on, we are likely to have warmer temperatures compared to what we were dealing with today. In fact, we're having a maximum of 26, that will be for Kabale Highlands. And across western Uganda, we'll have a maximum of 30. We'll have sunny intervals for Arua, and across the north, we're having a daytime high of about 31 degrees centigrade. And it is quite hotter for the Karamoja region at a maximum of 32. We'll have sunny intervals for the eastern half of the country. However, along Lake Victoria Basin, we're likely to maintain a maximum of 29 degrees centigrade. Now let's move further to some of the cities that we've had across Africa. We are forecasting thunder showers that will be for Dhaka as well as Lagos, and we could see sunny conditions across most of these other cities, apart from Nairobi, where we're likely to have partly cloudy skies at a maximum of 24 degrees centigrade. Now let me take you through a few cities that we've had across the world where we're likely to have sunny conditions for Rome as well as New York, and we could see a couple of showers that will be for London as well as Berlin. Well, with that, we wrap up today's weather report. Thank you so much for joining me. My name is Maureen Kenyina. Stay tuned.